Hello, and today on Meowster Math, we will be finding the area of a triangle. An interesting thing is it's just like finding the area of a square, except when you're done, you'll divide it in half. So the first thing you'll do is, since this side's 4 and this side's 2, take 2 times 4, which equals 8. Then you'll have to do 8 divided by 2. Well, I know that 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. And 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 times! That's the answer. Your answer is 4. Now we're going to do a bit more complicated problem. Let's say you have a house, and you're like, man, I wonder how much the roof and the house is all together. So, first step is, you'll take your house and your roof. Let's say your roof is about, let's say, 4 and 3. Well, if 4 times 3 is 12, we'll have to divide that by 2, just like it's dividing a triangle. So 3 times 4 is 12. But half of 12 is what? Well, 6 times 2 is 12, so it must be 6. So the top is 6. The bottom is 2 and 4. So it's just like finding the area of a square. So I'll do 2 times 4, which equals 8. So now I'm going to add these two together to find out the total area of my house. Well, 8 plus 8 is 16. I know that, but if I were to take away 2, it'd be 14. Wow, that really is easy. So cool. Thank you so much for watching, and I love my subscribers. Thank you. Go Penn High School swimming. I like to make a shout out to the Zygerts, Brock, a new swimmer, and go swimming. And thank you, Connor Craig, for subscribing. Please subscribe, and I'll shout you out in a video. Thank you.